Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Outlook with the folder you want to reset. Make sure the main window is active. Once done, click the Mail module or press Ctrl +1 to open Mail, then select the target folder such as Inbox or an archive. Make sure no message windows are undocked because the reset applies to the active view. This prepares Outlook to accept the reset command and avoids confusing changes to other folders. Now you'll perform the actual reset from the ribbon. First, go to the View tab and locate View Settings. Click it to open Advanced Options. From there, choose Reset View and confirm to restore default columns, sort, group, and filter settings for that folder. If you prefer menu navigation, use Arrange by or Current View and pick Reset View. This does the same thing. Doing this resets only the active folder so you can preserve custom views elsewhere. Finish by restarting Outlook so changes fully apply and caches refresh. If Reset View didn't fix the problem, run Outlook with the /CleanViews switch. Press Windows +R, type Outlook. exe/cleanviews, and press Enter. This removes and rebuilds all custom views. Make sure you export or note any custom views first because /CleanViews deletes them. If issues persist after that, check for add-ins or synced mobile rules that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.